Hello, I'm Ipsa. We are doing some mirrors and light chapters related numericals uh, based on mirrors only. Now, it could be a convex, concave, that we don't know, but it could be anything. Okay, by now I expect कि आप लोगों को बेसिक दो फॉर्मूलाज तो आ गए होंगे मिरर्स में. One is mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1. I have not written here because I just hope कि आपको आ गए हो. एंड एक मैग्निफिकेशन का माइनस वी बाई यू और h2 अपॉन h1. Okay, so I have not written here, but for a recap, in a convex mirror, these are the facts about convex mirror, that its magnification always lies between 0 and 1, 0.2, 0.8, 0.7, and these signs I hope you'll understand. And the image is always on the right side of the mirror, virtual, erect, diminished, बस और कोई टाइप की नहीं होती. Its focal length is on this side, its object is always here, and the image is always vertical. Just rethink about the convex mirror and you will be able to recollect all these things. Okay, we start the numerical. We'll first write these things which you need to fill in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 things that we have to fill in. A mirror, we don't know which one, creates a magnification of 0.5. Okay, magnification is given, but we don't know the value or the sign. So at least we'll write something. And we can write plus minus, that I'm yet to decide. When image 50 centimeter, 5 centimeter tall. What is this? The image is 5 centimeter tall. So image height is 5 centimeter, but we still don't know whether it is erect or या वो inverted है. Erect होगी तो positive हो जाएगा, inverted होगी तो this 5 centimeter would be negative. Okay, is formed 2 centimeter away. किसी का भी sign नहीं मिल रहा है. The image is 2 centimeter away, so V will be 2 centimeter, but again we don't know. Plus, I think you'll have to add some information. That's it. The image is forms on a screen. The image forms on a screen. Now this is very crucial information और आपको पता चल रहा होगा, ये मैंने बाद में add किया. So on the screen means this tells us that is a real image. Correct? Near real always implies inverted. So ये भी हो गया inverted. Real or inverted, which mirror makes convex? तो कुछ नहीं बनाएगा, तो सिर्फ diminished और वो सब बनाएगा. So this becomes 100% a concave mirror. At least we'll draw it. Okay, for our estimation. Now let's read it again. Forms a magnification of 0.5. Now tell me what sign to put here. In magnification 0.5, should I put plus or should I put minus? Okay, just for a recap, magnification for convex is 0 to 1. This number 0.5 lies here. Correct? Now अगर lies here है तो ये तो convex mirror हो जाएगा और हमें मिला है concave mirror. फिर क्या करें? और अगर हम -0.5 रख देते हैं इसको तो उसकी तो रीजन है. अगर ये मैग्निफिकेशन है, so this side belongs to concave mirror and 0.5 will be here. Sorry for the dirty word. So it is in the range of concave mirrors only on the negative side. Excuse me. It's on the sorry. It's on the left hand side and it is inverted. Okay, so the magnification sign that we'll have to put is negative. I hope you understand what has happened. अगर इसमें रखेंगे मैग्निफिकेशन की वैल्यू तो वो कॉन्वेक्स हो जाएगा, पर हमने अभी भी ढूंढा है ना कि वो कॉन्केव है, और कॉन्केव की मैग्निफिकेशन कैन गो इनटू नेगेटिव्स. सो हियर वी गेट टू नो much later after writing so much कि it is not plus 0.5, it is minus 0.5. This is possible only for concave mirror. Now look at this. अब इन सबके साइंस रखें ना. Image is 5 centimeter tall. Inverted होनी चाहिए ना. It's real and inverted. See, इन्वर्टेड की H2 कितना होता है? जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसे हो जाता है उसका पॉजिटिव साइन होता है या नेगेटिव साइन होता है? इन्वर्टेड इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. सो इन्वर्टेड का हाइट इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, सो वी राइट -5. ओके, formed 2 centimeter away from it. Now real inverted image कहाँ बनती है? यहाँ राइट हैंड साइड पे को बनेगी, यहाँ बनेगी कि यहाँ बनेगी इमेज. सी इट्स रियल इन्वर्टेड, और वो सिर्फ तब होता है जब द इमेज इज ऑन लेफ्ट साइड. क्लियर? इट्स रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड पहले हमें समझ आ गया था. दिस हैपन्स ओनली व्हेन द इमेज इज ऑन द रियल साइड. दिस इज द रियल साइड, virtual side. So it's 2 centimeter away from the mirror, and U is always negative. So I can write everything is 2. No, wait. No, 1 second. This is not the image is -2 now because it is real and inverted. Okay, now let's start solving. They have asked you 100 things. Okay, I hope before I draw my line your question is over. It can be done so fast also. Okay, we have M, we have H2. Which formula? M is equal to H2 by H1. Okay, so minus 0.5, remember to put minus, is -5. -5 upon H1. Now H1 value should come out positive क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट तो सीधा ही खड़ा होता है. So it should come out positive. We'll just see H1 is equal to, this gets cut. Height is 10 centimeter. The object height is 10 centimeter. So if I draw an object here, is 10 centimeter high. Okay. Now let's solve another thing. We'll write this data here. And object तो हमेशा ही सीधा खड़ा होता है. So it will be positive. Now what should we find? Let's find U first. ये object कहाँ रखा हुआ है? Okay, for that we don't have F, we have V. So again you can use or I can use the formula M is equal to minus V by U. Why? Because I have M, I have V, U is what we have to find. Okay, now U positive होगा कि negative होगा? Any mirror, U will always be this side, on the left hand side, that is negative. Now let's check, is it coming negative or no? ये predictions ना करा करो अपने आप भी, just don't rely on the values. ये predictions होते हैं ना, उसके बाद you are able to check yourself कि आपका आंसर ठीक आया है कि नहीं. ठीक है? Minus V by U, I'll put the values. -2 and U is what we don't know. 2 upon 4. m is equal to something's wrong with me. V कितना है 2 and u will have to be found. Okay, so this gets cut. U becomes 20 upon 5, that too negative. U comes out to be 4 centimeter. So we have found out the object. That means the object is placed at 4 centimeter and it's making an image of 2 centimeter. Object is placed at 4 centimeter and image is formed at 2 centimeter. Okay, so it will be something like ये अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट है तो यहाँ पे इमेज हो जाएगी. It will be something like this. Okay, let's go ahead. We have U also now. All we left is calculation of focal length. Now we know that it should come negative because of concave mirror. Let's quickly find out the focal length and predict the properties. Oh, but this was inverted, so I have to draw it like, okay. And -0.5 एक और चीज पता चल जाती है कि माइनस से मतलब उल्टा. हाइट ऑफ इमेज माइनस में है, दैट मीन्स इट इज उल्टा इमेज. then what? I don't know what I was saying. Anyways, yeah. So we have to find focal length, UV, U plus V. Okay. So focal length is U we found behind. Oh, it was so we had found U and now I've written it at -4 centimeter. Now all we are left with is focus. Focus has to be on the left side because it's a concave mirror. So let's put the values and see if we get it or no. U -4, V -2. Okay, so -4 into -2. Okay, -4 -2. So we get 8 upon -6. I'm trying to save the space. That is F is equal to -8/6, 4/3, 1.33. So the focus is coming out negative, which means the mirror is fine. Calculations are fine. Now here we were, I'll explain this again. Here, let's draw which case it is. So I have a focal length. Focal length means I have a mirror and principal axis. I'll mark the focus. This is focus. Then the object is 4 centimeter away. So probably the object is here. The image is 2 centimeter away. Now remember that the image was inverted. So the image, या फिर V लिख देते हैं, image distance is here and it is inverted. So this will be V. So which case does it become? Is object between focal length and pole? No. Is it at infinity? No. Is it between infinity and center of curvature? Could be. If this is 1.33, where is the center of curvature? It will be at 2.66. So let's see, 2.66 is somewhere here, right? 2 और 6 के बीच में. So we get the case where the object is placed before center of curvature, and that's how we get an image which is inverted between C and F. So we have verified everything, and I think that should be the end of questions for today. Thank you.